Why choose zinc-plated steel? Enhanced corrosion resistance. One of the primary reasons manufacturers choose zinc-plated steel is its superior corrosion resistance. Zinc acts as a sacrificial anode, meaning that it corrodes preferentially, protecting the underlying steel from rusting. This protection creates a barrier that prevents moisture and other corrosive elements from reaching the steel surface. As a result, zinc-plated steel is particularly suitable for applications in harsh environments or industries that require long-lasting and reliable performance, such as automotive, construction, and machinery. Cost effectiveness. Another major factor driving the widespread use of zinc-plated steel is its cost effectiveness. Zinc plating is relatively inexpensive compared to other protective coatings like stainless steel or aluminum. Sustainability. Additionally, zinc is an abundant and easily recyclable material, which contributes to the sustainability of the production process. This eco-friendliness appeals to companies looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Versatility. Zinc-plated steel's versatility is yet another reason it's a popular choice among manufacturers. The plating process can be easily adjusted to achieve varying levels of thickness and corrosion resistance, depending on the intended application. Aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, zinc-plated steel can be treated with chromate conversion coatings, which come in many colors and finishes. This makes it possible to achieve both functional and aesthetic requirements for various industries.